The time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. You can compute it with the help of this simple exercise. Take a simple pendulum. Let it come to rest. Identify the equilibrium position O on the ground below. Now take the bob to one extreme position A and identify it on the ground below. Start a stopwatch and release the bob at the same time. When the bob comes back to the extreme position A, note the time on the stopwatch. Repeat the activity. This time, start from the equilibrium position O. Note the time taken by the pendulum to complete the one complete oscillation from O to A to B, B to O. The time so recorded is the time period of simple pendulum.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.